Listen. See, you are clearly written everyday assignments is NCERT examples as well as and miscellaneous exercise problems. Okay, these are the assignments, everyday assignments. You must practice all NCERT examples and miscellaneous are very important because there is no time to discuss this miscellaneous. If you are having time, I can explain you, not a problem. After that you can practice. And for this exercise, textbook is compulsory. Right. Yeah, look at here. Now it's almost 8:40. Right. Binary operations. Right? We can operate. Binary means, what is the meaning of binary? 2. Binary means 2. We can take any two numbers or element. We can operate on that numbers. Right? For example, I am taking 2, 3 are two numbers. What are the binary operations? Here we may be applying, we may be find 2 plus 3 or 2 minus 3 or 2 into 3 or 2 divided by 3. So these are the four fundamental operator already we know very well, right? Plus, minus, into and division. This is OR, this will discuss. Okay, here. Binary operation is a function, always function. So, function means every function having domain as well as codomain. Right, look at it. Domain and codomain. Right, I am going to explain everything. Right. Generally, we write the function f from a to b. The same way I said that binary operation is also a function. This binary operation like instead of plus, minus, into, division, or and union, intersection, f circle g. We found composition of function circle. Everything simply will written as star. Star is a function. Star is a function from where to where? A cross A to A cross A to A, because we are saying that this is binary operation. Binary means we should take two elements. Like I am taking A comma B is a order pair. So A cross A, nothing but this will give Cartesian product. What is the meaning of Cartesian product? I am taking A comma B belongs to capital A. The Cartesian product is given by A comma B such that A comma B belongs to capital A. Like set of all order pairs. See, it has two elements, nothing but binary. So star is a function which is from A cross A to A. If you take single value, we cannot apply the binary operation. Like we need to find sum of two values, sum, or we want to subtract 12. We need two values, like 2 plus 3. If you take only one value, is there any meaning of 2 plus, 2 minus, 2 into? No. To apply the fundamental operations, we need at least two values, like 2 plus 3. Two values. This is A, this is B. In the same way, so binary operation from A cross A to A. See, 2 plus 3 is equal to, you will get 5. 5 is a unique value, so that I define tends to A. So A cross A to A. So finally, after applying the operation, binary operation, we will get unique value. So domain always order pair, nothing but Cartesian product to A. See, for example, I am going to take A is a non-empty set. A is equal to, I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. I want to check the binary operation. I defined I defined A star. You see, binary operation. Wait. Okay. Just a minute. I think it's clear now. Is it clear now? Okay, right. Listen carefully. All questions are very easy. I think there are maybe 12 to 13 questions are there. Okay. All questions are very easy. Concept is very important, right? Binary operation is a function. Binary operation can be denoted by star. Okay, star. It may be plus, it may be minus, it may be division, it may be or disjunction, conjunction, union, intersection, etc. Right? Simply, I will take by simple examples. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. A is a non-empty set having 1, 2, 3, 4. I define A into B is equal to, I define the binary operation as A plus B. I am taking. Right. See here, whenever you apply the operation here, see input is, I want to take A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. So what is A star B value? A star B is A plus B. 1 plus 2 is 3. Is 3 belongs to A again? Yes, 3 belongs to A. So here 1 comma 2, like 1 star 2 is clearly belongs to A cross A, and 3 also belongs to A. This is a binary operation. Look at here. Look at according to the operation. So here 3 belongs to A. So what after applying the binary operation we get unique value. I am giving two values, two different values. I am taking order pair. So finally we get output. Input is I am giving two values. Output I guess I got unique value. Unique value also clearly belongs to A. Then this binary operation is right. If we take A value as 3, B value as 4, what is A star B? Like 2 star 3 is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. Is 5 belongs to given set A. 5 does not belongs to given set A, so this is not a binary operation related to A. Given function star is not a binary operation. After applying the binary operation, it may be plus, it may be minus, it may be into, whatever it is, it must be belongs to again A only. See, I defined the function A cross A to A only. So instead of this A, I want to take natural number. How to define the function natural number? Star is a function from, I want to put A is equal to n cross n to n. This one type of function. Star. In place of A, I want to replace integers z cross z to z. So if we take any two values in integers, the final answer should be integer only. If I give input values are integer, output also must be integer. In the same way, you can replace z plus. Z plus means positive integer. What is z plus? Z plus is 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Positive integers. R nothing, Q nothing but rational number. Rational number A by B such that A comma B must be non-equal to 0. This is rational number. Rational number nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Okay, if I take any two rational number, final input, output also should be rational number. Then we can say star is binary operation. Otherwise, we cannot say it is binary operation. Okay, right. Now, so in the entire exercise, they will define like this: n cross n to n and z cross z to z. And otherwise, simply they mention like this. How they mention? Star is a binary operation on n. binary operation on n, nothing but we can define the function like this, n cross into n, right? Star is a binary operation on n. Sometimes they may be used star is a binary operation on z plus, means star is a binary operation on z plus. Nothing but how to define the function, z plus cross z plus to z plus. Star is a binary operation on rational number. How to define the star? Okay, rational number are q cross q tends to q. Star is a binary operation on r. Like that we can define the function in this way, like a, maybe you can replace n to n, replace z plus q, r, like that. They may be give different types of question, right? How to write? See, we'll write a cross b, a star b is equal to, simply we can write like this, star of a comma b also. We can represent like that also. Another way, how to define another way? Binary, two values. I am giving input are two values and getting output is only unique value, right? Remember, input is two value, output is unique value. So how to represent the binary operation? A star b or else let's star of a comma, both will be same. How to represent otherwise? What is the meaning of? I am taking here instead of star plus. A comma b is nothing but a plus b. Plus of a comma b in the sense a plus b, minus of a comma b in the sense a minus b. So into of a comma b in the sense ab, like that will be fine. Plus means plus is a binary operation on a comma b can be written as a plus b. Minus is a binary operation of a comma b, a minus b. Like that we can represent. How to define divide a comma b can be written as a by b. Here b must be non-zero. B must be non-zero, otherwise it will get undefined value, right? So every binary operation can be written as a star b can be written as star of a comma b. Star may be plus, star may be minus, star may be into. Instead of plus, I want to take or. So here a or b. Instead of I am taking and or conjunction like this. Or instead of this, I want to take union. I want to take intersection. Okay, like that we can define in many ways, right? Star is a binary operation. Binary operation can be denoted by star. Star may be plus, minus, into, division, or and union, intersection, and circle. We can represent like this. How many types of functions are there? See, the function may be, types of questions. The binary operation they will give in different ways. A star b is equal to, maybe they will give a plus b, maybe star, maybe minus, maybe into, maybe a by b already given. So sometimes they ask the question a star b is equal to maximum of a and b. In some question they may be asked a star b is a binary operation is minimum of a and b, a comma b. Okay, and a star b is a binary operation LCM of a and b, or HCF. These type of questions we have in exercise 1.4. Then how to find that value? So to find LCM and HCF, better to apply operation table. I can explain you operation table. Right? See, this is question number 1. Question number 1 clearly given a star b. They define the binary operation. In question number 1, first subdivision is a minus b, second is ab, third is ab square, and fourth one is a minus b. It's based on the natural number, integer and real number, like that. So second question they given as a star b defined as a minus b, ab plus 1, ab by 2, 2 power ab, a power b, and a by b plus 1. How many sub questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sub questions are there. And the third question they defined conjunction. This is the meaning, and a and b is equal to minimum of a comma b. Here a value is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's better to apply operation table. Try to apply the operation table. We will get easily answered, easily understood. And this is 9th question. 11th question. They taking order pair as a element. Here instead of A, they taking A comma B. Instead of B, they taking C comma D. They define the function like this: a plus c comma a plus c, adding first corresponding or first component, adding second components will get. This is the function they given. Then how to, what to do here? See here, and one more thing, clearly written n is a natural numbers. It will be it is a binary operation on plus and minus, but not binary operation on minus and into. I will explain it with the help of some values. Look at here. I am taking I define the function star n to n to n cross n to n. Natural number already we know that it will start with 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Now let us check whether star is a binary operation or not. I define the binary operation as first AB is equal to A plus B. Right, in this case, take any two values. A is equal to 1, B is equal to some 10. 1 is a natural number, 10 also a natural number. What is the resultant value? 1 plus 10. 1 plus 10, 11. 11 also a natural number. So binary operation. It is clearly binary operation. Not only this, you can take any two values. Not only 1 and 10, you can take any 100, 200. 100 times 200 becomes 300 again. So a plus is a binary operation on n. In the same way into, I want to define here a into b. You can give some different values like a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 10. 2 into 10, 20. See, a is equal to, I want to take 2 here, 10 I want to take b value. 2 and 10 are natural number. Output is what? Input I am giving 2 and 10. Output is 20. 20 also belongs to natural number. So into also a binary operation on natural number. Let us see now minus. So I want to define the function a star b is equal to a minus b. I want to take a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. What is 2 star 3? 2 star 3 is equal to 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Is minus 1. Input is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 clearly belongs to natural number. But whereas the resulting value, see, output is minus 1 doesn't belongs to natural number. So that this minus is not a, so a minus b is not a binary operation. What is minus? Yes, star. This is not a binary operation with respect to minus. If at least one. Yeah, that's I understood. Yeah, it should be for every. It should be satisfied for every a comma b belongs to n. You can give one counter example. You can disprove that. I disproved here. It is for every value, not only for particular value. If you take, as I said, 3 and 2 here, so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 is clearly belongs to natural number. But whereas if I take 3 and 5 here, if I take 3 minus 5 minus 2, is minus 2 belongs to natural number? No. At least one case it is failed. Then if we disprove that by giving one counter example, it is not binary operation. It is for every a comma b belongs to n. Right? That we have to remember. Right? So with respect to minus, it's not a binary operation. In the same way, division, a division, where a by b. I want to take a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Simple. What is 2 star 3? That is 2 by 3. Is 2 by 3 belongs to natural number? No. So division is not a binary operation. In the same way, in integers, plus adding any two integer, again integer, multiply any two integer, again integer, subtract any two integer, again integer. Whereas division, I define here the binary operation z cross z to z. Clear? Z already we know that the set of integers from minus infinity to minus 1, 0, 1 to up to infinity. So you can take any two integers. I want to take a is equal to 2. I define the binary operation as a star b is equal to a by b. Here b must be non-zero. Right. Substitute any value. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 only. Again 2 by 3 doesn't belong to integer. So with respect to division, it is not a binary operation. So that not a binary operation. But in these three cases, it will be binary operation. Right. So with respect to R, if I take real numbers plus, minus, into, and division, in all these cases it will be a binary operation. Any two values like 2, 3, 2 by 3 clearly becomes to real number. So all are binary operation on R. Right. Up to here I explained about the binary. See, maximum. They may be asked different types of question. Maximum of two number. What is the maximum of 2, 3? 3. What is minimum of 2, 3? 2, like that. Maximum of a, b, minimum of a, b, and LCM. What is LCM? LCM of 2, 3, 6. HCF, highest common factor of 2, 3 is 1. This type of questions are there. We'll discuss one by one. We'll discuss. Okay. Up to here I explained. Now I am going to explain very, very important properties on binary operation. Listen carefully. Right. There are few properties are there on binary operator. Like I want to take A is equal to A comma B comma C and E also. So A comma B comma C and E are the elements on A. Closure property. Here the important properties are commutative, associative, identity, and sometimes inverse. Sometimes they may be asked inverse. So these two are very important. Most of the questions they are asking whether the given binary operation is commutative or associative or not. Already you studied all the properties in sets. Okay, for example, union will be there. What is commutative property with respect to union? A union B is equal to B union A. What is associate property with respect to this union? A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. In the same way, in the same year also, with respect to star, we can check A star B value is equal to B star A or not. A star B is equal to B star A or not. Like how to check? I define A star B as, I define the function as AB. I want to take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Right? What is A star B? A star B is 2 into 3, 6. What is B star A? B star A means 3 into 2, 6. Both will be same. With respect to into AB, I am taking A into B. It is a commutative. It satisfies commutative property. What is associative? In the same way, I want to take C is equal to 4. Is here 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to, we have to check A star B star C is equal to, we have to check 2 star 3 star 4 or not. Like how to find? You can take these two values first. 2 cross, what is 3 star 4? A star B is AB. 3 into 4, 12. So this is again apply the same property. A star B, 2 into 12, that is 25. LHS value we got 24. Let us see RHS value. 2 into 3. A star B is AB. 2 star 3 is 2 into 3. 6 star 4. 6 for the 24. LHS equal to RHS. It is commutative, associative also. It is associative also. Very important. Concentrate. So like that, these are the commutative and associative. Then what is identity? Already we know that identity matrix. For example, take identity matrix. A is a matrix, I is the identity matrix. A into I is equal to A is equal to I into A. The same way here also, I written A star E is equal to A should be equal to E star A. Then we can say that E is identity element. For every A belongs to A, for every A belongs to A, there exists a element E also belongs to A such that it should satisfy this condition. Then this is called identity. E is called identity element with respect to the binary operation. Inverse nothing but already we know that. Inverse means already we know that A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. Already proved in matrices. The product of two matrices is equal to identity matrix. We can say that B is inverse of A is inverse of B. BA also belongs to I. B is the inverse of A is inverse of B. When the product of two matrices will get identity, then only here I is called identity matrix. The same way E is called identity element. So here A star B is equal to B star A is equal to I. Like that you can take it. A star B star A is equal to E. Then finally we got identity. So we can say that A is inverse element of B is inverse element of A. Okay, it should be. So what is the inverse of 2 with respect to multiplication 1 by 2? 1. So that I return here 0 is additive inverse, 1 is multiplicative inverse. Sorry, 0 is identity value, additive identity, and 1 is multiplicative identity value. So what is the meaning of identity? Inverse means if you are adding any values, identity property, adding like 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 is equal to 0 plus 2. So with respect to addition, 0 is identity element. With respect to multiplication, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, that is equal to 1 into 2. Here 1 is a multiplicative identity. Like A into I is equal to A equal to 1 into 2, like multiplicative. Like A into I is 2 plus 0, 0 is additive identity. So inverse, what is inverse of 2? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. Like I return this condition. A star B, A star B, 2 into 2 get cancelled, is equal to E 1. B star A 2 into 1. So whenever we multiply 2, we will get the identity. So what is the inverse of 2? 1 by 2. So this is with respect to multiplication. With respect to addition, what is the inverse of 2? Minus 2. 2 minus 2. Like that. So with respect to addition, the inverse of 2 is minus 2. With respect to multiplication, 1 by 2 inverse of 2. Like that. Okay, let us see the questions. And I written here some property. For example, A having n elements. A has n elements. Then how many total number of binary operations we can form from A cross A to A? How many total number of binary operations are there? Is it clear? It's going to be disconnect after a few times. Right. Is it clear to everyone up here? A has n element, total number of binary operations. Like already we studied the function. F is a function from A to B. It has m elements. It has n elements. How many total number of functions? I already written. I clearly written the total number of functions is given by n power n. A having m elements, B having n elements. The total number of functions from A to B is n power n. So m is the number of elements in A. N is the number of elements in B. Okay, what is the number of elements in Domain having m elements. In the same way, what is the domain here? A star is a function from A cross A to A having n elements. A cross A, number of elements in A cross A can be written as n of A into n of A. A having how many elements? N into n. N of A cross A can be written as n of A into n of A, because n of A cross B, I clearly written this property, n of A into n of B. So n into n, so that how many numbers? N square. So domain having n square. So then what is the formula? Total number of functions clearly written here. N power n. What is n value? N value is n square. So n power n square. The total number of binary operation on A is n power n square. Remember this. Total number of binary operation. And total number of commutative binary operation. Commutative. How many commutative binary operation? Just remember, this is for objective purpose. Okay, objective purpose. They might be as maximum. This is maximum. They will ask in NCERT in maybe JEE. For JEE purpose, this is important. So remember that. So here n of A cross A contain n square elements, n into n square elements, A having n elements, so that the total number of binary operations are n power n square. Like n power n is number of function. Binary operation is also a function from domain to codomain. Domain having n square elements, codomain having n elements. So that number of functions are n power n. So n power n square. Number of commutative binary operations on A is n into n plus 1 by 2. This you have to remember. Right, now let us start the exercise. Till now I explained the concept. Now we'll start the exercise problem, right? I hope so everyone understood what is the meaning of binary operation. Binary means 2. We can give some input, we'll get the output. Right, let us see. One, yeah. That only binary operation. Okay, what is the meaning of star? Star is a function. Star is a function. Star is a function. Every function having domain and codomain. What is the domain here? A cross A to A. Like for example, I want to take A is equal to like 1, 2, 2 elements. I am taking A is equal to 2 elements. A cross A having how many elements? A cross A is Cartesian product of A cross A. So A cross A is for example A cross A is like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. So A cross A contain 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Like we can map the function. So this is one function. Is it function or not? This is clearly one function. And another function is another ways I want to define this is another function. Next I want to define another function. This is another function. This is also a function. Every element of A class A having unique image. Like we can define like I don't want to take. I want to map. This is another function. Like that, how many binary operations are there? Everything is a binary. I am giving input as 2 values and getting output is 1 like that. General. So how many binary operation we maybe get from A star to A? Like see here how many elements are there here? 2. How many elements are there? 4. Let us take this is n. This is m. The total number of functions is n power n. Total number of function from A to B n power n. Substitute here. N is 2. M is 4. 4 nothing but 2 power 2 square. N square. If it is 3, here we get 3 into 3. Like we get n power n square. Right? Okay. Let us see the first question. See the first question. Now we can finish this. Try to finish the question. Right. Question number. For the commutative, so I'll give best example. After explaining this concept, you will be get a lot of idea. That time I can explain you how to get n into again n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. First let us discuss the question. You will get the idea. That time we will prove. Right? I can prove this one also. Not a problem. Right? Question number 1. Fast. What is question number 1? Question number 1, determine whether or not each of the definitions given below gives a binary operation. Binary operation. In the event that is not a binary operation. Whether it is binary operation or not a binary operation. Give justification for this. Okay, first question is what? On. First question, first subdivision. On Z plus. Z plus nothing but Z plus means natural number. Z plus means positive integers, always natural number. Remember that. Okay, not negative, natural number. Indirectly they asked natural number. Or Z plus, they defined the binary operation defined by A star B is equal to A minus B. Is this binary operation anyone? Take any two values in Z plus, natural number. Is A minus B is natural number. 2 comma 3, 2 minus 3, minus 1 doesn't belongs to Z plus. Not a binary operation. First one is not binary operation. Second one. What is second one? Second one is on Z plus define A star B is equal to AB. Whether AB is a binary operation or not, you can take any two values in Z plus or Z plus. You can take any two values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. Whose product is like I want to take 13 into 13, 13 into 14. Like you can take any values or 13 into 100, 1300, 1300 also again belongs to Z plus, and giving input is 39. This is again, this is clearly binary operation. Next, third subdivision. Third subdivision is AB square. A star B as AB square. This will be defined on or real number. Give any two real numbers. Give any two real numbers or take any real number. I want to take A is equal to some 1, B, A is equal to 2, B is equal to some 1 by 3 I want to take. What is 2 star 1 by 3 is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 square. So 2 into 1 by 3 means 1 by 9. That is 2 by 9. Is 2 by 9 is a real number? Real number, obviously. Take any values. It may be fractions, it may be integer, whatever it is. AB square always, see, input you can give any values. Output always a real number. Output always a real number, so that it is clearly binary operation. It is clearly binary operation. First one is not a binary operation. Second one is binary operation. Third one also binary operation. Fourth one, on Z plus means how to define the function? Z plus cross Z plus to Z plus. The meaning is like that. So they define A star B is equal to modulus A minus B. First question is A minus B. Here modulus of A minus B. You can take any values. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, P is equal to 3. Right, modulus of 2 minus 3, that is modulus minus 1. Modulus minus 1 again, 1. The negative value becomes positive. Is 1 is clearly belongs to Z plus. I am taking A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. I substituted these two values here. I got output is 1. 1 is clearly a positive integer. Right, obviously, right. Very good. Right. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2. But in this case, we are taking unique value. Unique value. So here, in this question, if you observe that, 2 comma, if you take 2 comma 2, but you should take different values. Here we define A comma B, dot A comma A. Is it clear? A comma B are two different values. Okay, A comma B. So here we define the two values. If it is, for example, as you said, if you take A comma A, two are same values. A comma A is A minus A is 0, but they define the function means we should take two for different values. Don't take same values. Same values means there doesn't exist binary operation itself. We get 0 here, right? Right. Next, so last one is fifth one was A cross B is equal to A, all Z plus. Like 2 cross, sorry, 2 star 3 is equal to clearly belongs to Z plus. This is also a clearly binary operation. Like we'll see some other question. Like question number 4. Let us see question number 4. Anyone? Question number 4. Tell me whether it is what they are asking. In question number 4, clearly consider the binary operation on the set. A is equal to on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the following multiplication table. Okay, they given one table. This is operation table. So this is table. What they given? They given star is a operation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they give 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. They define here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 3 is 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. Yes. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. Look at here. So use this table. We can compute the given values, right? Use this table. Right? We need to find other values, right? First, what we need to find? 2 star 3 star 4. This is equal, right? 2 star 3. 2. First 2. 2 star 3. 2 star 3. What is value? 2 star 3 value is 1. Look at here. 2 star 3. 2 star 3. 1. Right? First I am taking A. This is B values. Like otherwise you can take this is A values. This is 2 star 3. 1. Here also it is 1 only. If you take like this horizontally and vertical or vertical, in both cases we get 1 only. So this is 1 star 4. Again 1 star 4. Final answer is 1. First subdivision. In first subdivision itself, 2 star 3 star 4. First we need to find 3 star 4. Within the bracket value first we can find, then after we can find total value. 2 star 3 star 4. 3 star 4. 3 star 4. 3 4. Corresponding value is 1. 2 star 1. 2 star 1. 2 1. 2 1. 2 star 1. 2 star 1 value is 1. We got. So first one answer is 1. Second one answer is 1 only. So now what we can conclude here? It will be satisfy associate property. 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to 2 star 3 star 4. Both will be same. In this case, the binary operation star satisfied associate. Very simple. 2 star 3. 2 star 3 value is 1. And again we get 1 star 4 is 1. Finally 1. 3 star 4. 3 star 4 value is 1. I written 1 here. 2 star 1. 2 star 1 is right. Okay, we got the first answer. In the same way, is star commutative? Anyone? Is star commutative? What is commutative property? Commutative property clearly A star B is equal to B star A R 1. You can check for all values. I want to check like some 3 star 5 is equal to 5 star 3 or not. 3 star 5 corresponding value 1. Okay, here 1. A should be equal to 5 star 3. 5 star 3. 1. 1 is equal to 1. It's commutative. Like that you can check all conditions, not only for one condition. Don't consider only arbitrary few values. You can check each and every value. 1 star 1 is equal to 1 star. 2 star 3 is equal to 3 star 2 or not. Like that you can check for all values. I think so for all these cases it will be satisfies. Look at here. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Even interchange the values, we will getting again the same value here itself. EZ will getting same like this 1 2 1 1 2 1 3 1. Right? In this table they given like a symmetric matrix. Like interchange rows to columns to rows, will get a symmetric matrix in that case. A table also satisfies that property, so that it is commutative. So commutative we check it. The third one is compute 2 star 3 star 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. What is 2 star 3? 2 star 3 1. 4 star 5 4 star 5 is 1. 1 star 1 1 1 is the answer. Yeah, next we go for question number 3. What is question number 3? I hope so everyone is understood. Very easy. Okay, right? Question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 also very easy. Right. Question number 3 is consider the binary operation disjunction or else or. This is a instead of star they are taking this operation. Okay. Consider the binary operation or on the set 1 2 3 4 5 on the set 1 2 3 4 5 defined by A or B. This is a binary. Instead of star they are taking this symbol. What is the defined minimum of A comma B? Minimum of A comma B. Write the operation table of operation B. What is the question they asked here? Operation table. Like this is the binary operation. How many values are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. What's the question they asked? Yeah. No. They defined in that operation as distinct elements. According to the operation, see they given here distinct elements. Otherwise, they'll give A star A itself. If they mention A star A is equal to 2A, that time we can take same values. Here, according to that values, here set what the set they given 1 2 3 4 5. In that we can take A comma B values, any two values. Like what is the minimum value of we can easily find minimum of 1 comma 1. What is the minimum of 1 comma 1? 1. Minimum of 2 comma 2, 2, 3 comma 3, 3. Like minimum of 1 comma is 1. Minimum of 1 comma 2. I am taking these are A values, these are B values. According to that condition, given condition, minimum or HCF, LCM, maximum, like in different definitions are there. They define the star operation in different ways. According to the question, we can conclude. Right. What is the minimum of 1 comma 1? A value is 1. These are the A values. These are the B values. Okay. What is 1 comma 2? Minimum value 1. Minimum of 1 comma 3 1. Minimum of 1 comma 4 1 5. Right. Minimum of 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 1. 2 comma 2 2. 2 comma 3 2. 2 comma 4 2. 2 comma 5 2. In the same way 3. 3 of 1. Minimum 1 1 3. Sorry 2. 3 comma 2 minimum is 3. 3 comma 3 3. 3 comma 4 3 comma 4 3 3. 4 comma 1 1. 4 comma 2 2. 4 comma 3 3. 4 comma 4 4. 4 comma 5. What is the minimum in 4 and 5? 4. 5 1 2 3 4 5. Write down the operation table and we return. This is the operation table. Okay, the binary operation are on 1 2 3 4 5. So you can take any two values. You can take any two values here. A comma B belongs to like 1 2 3 4. These values, right? So, yeah, does the operation table for given operation is given as like this. We draw the operation table, right? Is it clear? Understood everyone how to write minimum value? Next, go for question number 7. Question number 7. Fastly. Is star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. A binary operation or not? First, draw the table here. Same. Find LCM. They given same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A star B they defined as LCM of A comma B. I am taking A value, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical. Horizontal I am taking B value. And what is LCM of 1 comma 1? 1 comma 1 is 1. LCM of 1 comma 2, 2. 1 comma 3. LCM means we can find like this. 1 into 3. 3, 4, 5. What is LCM of 2 comma 1? 1 into 2, 2. LCM of 2 comma 2, 2 only. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 are co-primes. So that multiply 2 into 3, 6. 2, 4. 2, 4. LCM of 2, 4. You can take 2, 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4. Here LCM is 4. 2 into 5, 2 different values, so that 10. LCM of 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is 3. Okay. Least common factor, right? And common factor. And then what about LCM of 3 comma 2? 6. 3 comma 3, 3 only. 3 comma 4, 12. 3 comma 5, 15. In the same way, 4 comma 1 is 4. 4 comma 2 is 4. 4 comma 3 is 12. 4 comma 4 is 4. Then 4 comma 5 is 20. Then 5 comma 1 is 5. 5 into 1. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. What is the LCM of 5 comma 5? 5. Is it clear? We found the LCM of given set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with respect to the operation star. They define the operation star as LCM of A comma B. So here then the operation table for the given operation star can be given as the table, right? Is it a binary operation? Here the question is, after return this operation table, they are asking to check whether it is a binary operation or not. Any one. Here 1 star 1 we get 1, 1 star 2 2, 1 star 3 3, 1 star 4 4, 1 star 5 is 5. What I said, a star is a binary operation from, let us take this is A, set is A star A to A. Whenever we give input any two values, output should also be belongs to given set only. See here, these are the output we got. LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6, LCM 2 comma 4 is 4, 2 comma 5 10 like that, right? The given set is the given set contain only up to 5, 6. If I take 6, is LCM of this 6 is LCM of 3 comma 2. Resulting output is 6. Is 6 is belongs to given set here? No. The LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. 12 is output. I am taking 3 star 4. The LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. Is 12 is belongs to A given set? No. In the same way, LCM of 5 comma 5 star 3 means 5 comma 3 is 15. 5 star LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Is 15 is belongs to A? Doesn't belongs to A. At least one counter example you can take to disprove. Already 12 is doesn't belongs to A, 15 doesn't belongs to A. See, 6 does more than 5. 6, 10, 6, 12, 15, 20. These are all not belongs to given A. Output is not belongs to A. So that this is not a binary operation. This is not a binary operation. Right? Next. Question number 6. Question number 6. I hope so everyone is understood this. Shall we go for question number 6? Yeah, question number 6 is what? Let star be the binary operation on natural numbers, set of natural numbers given by a star b is equal to LCM of a comma b. LCM. Find first question. Find star 7 and 20 star 16. Second sub, right? First we need to find this. What is LCM of, just now we found what is LCM of 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is 35. Is 35 belongs to him? Obviously 35 is also a natural number, right? And 20 star 16, what is LCM? LCM 20 and 16. First with respect to 2 table. 10, 8, again 2 table. 5, 4. Right? 2 to the? Yes? 8, right. 2 to the 4, 4, 5 the 20, 24 the 80. Is 80 belongs to him? Yes. Right. We got LCM of. Next. A star is commutative. Second is star is commutative. Anyone? You can take a comma b any values in natural number. Is a star b is equal to b star a? Is LCM of a comma b is equal to b comma a? You can take any two values. I want to take 2 comma 3. A value is 2, b value is 3. Is 3, 2 over. Right. 2 star 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. 3 star 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. Both will be same or not? Same. Like not only this, you can take any values, any different values. Okay, you can take any different values, any two natural number, different values. Then those LCM is again both will, it will be satisfied. Commutative property. Like 2 star 3 is equal to 3 star 2. 5 star 7 is equal to 7 star 5. Like that you can take any two natural number, the output also same. So it is commutative. Then what is the third? Is it associative? Associative means what is associative? A star, B star, C is equal to, we can check A star, B star is, C is equal to A star B, star C are. I want to take 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is A value, this is B value, this is C value. Right. I want to check first this left side value A star B star C LHS. What is 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to 1 star. First simplify within the bracket value. What is LCM of 2 and 3? 6. LCM 2 into 3 6. So 1 into 6. What is the LCM of 1 into 6? 6. The LCM of 1 comma 6 6. Okay, this is LHS. LHS value we got 6. We can check RHS. RHS is 1 star 2 star 3. I am taking simple example. You also take simple example. No need to take large values. If you want, you can take different values. Right. 1 star 2. What is the LCM of 1 comma 2? This value is 2 star 3. Again, LCM of 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is 6 again. I am taking A, B, C values are 1, 2, 3. Now I got 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to 1 star 2 star 3. Like it satisfies associate property for every A comma B comma C belongs to natural number. See, I am telling you that the concept is very important. The concept is very important, right? Okay. So, like find the identity of star in N. Can anyone find identity in N? Yes, what is identity? Anyone. This is very important.